Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F5. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. We can also schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options, we can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for individual apps. Next, we can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Then, we can enable or disable reading mode, change its mode between classic and paper, and also adjust those. Then we can schedule the reading mode. Next, we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, standard and advanced. And also we can change color temperature of the display. Next, we can change refresh rate between 16 Hz and 120 Hz. Then we can change font, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, enable or disable auto-rotate screen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.